Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make quiche bites. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees F and gather eggs, cream, cheese, mini pastry cups, and preferred fillings. Start by whisking 4 eggs with 1 cup of cream, salt, and pepper, then fold in 1 cup of shredded cheese and chopped fillings. Spoon the mixture into pastry cups and bake until set and golden, about 8. Choose fillings that complement one another and cook any raw ingredients before adding to the egg mix. For 24 quiche bites, use about 4 eggs, 1 cup cream, and 2 cups total fillings. Mix cheeses and seasonings into the eggs for even flavor distribution. Fill each pastry cup about 3/4 full to allow the custard to puff without overflowing. Bake until a knife comes out mostly clean. Prevent soggy crusts by pre-baking pastry cups for a brief 5 minutes and cooling them before filling. Use a consistent fill level to promote even cooking and avoid spills. If using watery vegetables, sauté and drain them first to control moisture. Cool finished quiche bites slightly so the custard firms, then serve warm or room temperature for best texture and flavor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.